Sir, I learned English like this only, sir, because my already in one session I told you that my basic education was very poor. I have come from Telugu medium background. That too, there was no English teacher. And sir, here I can write one sentence like I I do eat idli. The same sentence can be written I eat idli. Yes, sir. If I want to make the sentence negative, if I want to make the sentence negative, I need one weapon. I need only one weapon, that is called helping verb. So when I place not here, when I place not here, I do not eat what? Idli. I do not eat idli. So we can just write, we can contract it and we can write don't. Sir, if I want to make this sentence interrogative, I need the same weapon. Just I need to bring the same weapon in front of the subject. Do I eat idli? So if I want to make a negative interrogative, the same weapon I have here. So just if I want to bring it out, otherwise I can just bring this also. Okay, sir. We can write a negative interrogative in two ways. That do I not eat idli, or don't I eat idli. This is the only simple mantra, sir. Like the boys told the cow story, the milk story. If I write here, I did eat idli. Already I did eat idli. We can write I ate idli also. If I just change did here, the sentence gives negative meaning. We can contract this as a didn't. So in these places, we can just did or didn't. Whatever the sentence we take in English, sir. If I can write here, I am eating, eating what? Idli. If I want to make the sentence negative, just I need to place not here. If I want to make the sentence interrogative, just I need to bring the helping verb am in front of the subject here. Am I eating idli? Amn't I eating idli? Am I not eating idli? This is how we can get all the sentences. So, and here just I want to tell you something. Just a minute, sir. I'll write clearly. She, whenever we change subjective pronoun as she does eat idli. The same does plus V1 equal to V1 yes or yes or IES. Okay. Now, she does not eat idli. We can write it as doesn't. Again, the interrogative. What I am doing here, just I am bringing out the helping verb in front of the subject. Does she eat idli? So this is a positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. If I want to make negative interrogative, I have two chances. One, just I can bring it out. Otherwise, just a contract form, I need to bring it out. So, does she eat idli, or doesn't she eat idli? Sir, now this is a bit of boring because I have written two times. But the interesting thing is, always our Shaji Bhaskar sir says, managing English and mastering English. The person who manages English asks the question like this. Just I'm looking for a red color marker here. So the person who is trying to manage English, sir, please mute, sir. Rambabu, sir, somebody has unmuted. So if a person trying to manage his English, he writes a question here. Why she eats idli? Why she does eat idli? So, and he places a question word here. This is a managing English, right? If he has to master English, he has to place a question word here. Question word here. When? Why does she eat idli? Why does, not why she. Okay, and when does she eat idli? With whom? With whom does she eat idli? And where does she eat idli? And what does she eat? So this is how we can make question. So total entire English I have learned through this simple technique called how the boy says the story. Yes, our entire tenses we can get from this only. Even if we take passive voice, we need not to remember all the structures, sir. Just because as I'm a police constable, so it was very tough. That too, I came from Telugu medium back. But the simple logic helped me a lot in learning many things. So I ate what? I think everybody knows that. Just I'm trying to speak a bit speed. She does eat idli. We can call it as she eats. Now, if you want to make the sentence passive, she eats, we need to ask a question, right? We need to ask a question. To whom? Verb. She eats what? We can ask two types of questions to find out an object in the sentence. She eats what? Whenever we asked question, we got an answer. This is an objective of the sentence. Already we have subject here. And also we have verb here. So sir, passive voice has 5 rules. Number 1 rule is object changes as subject. And the 5th rule is subject changes as object. Very simple to remember. The 4th rule is by preposition can be taken from outside from the air. Because we cannot get by preposition here. Just we can get by preposition from the air. And 3rd rule is verb can be transformed as a past participle of the verb. And the 2nd rule is most important. Here is an appropriate helping verb. Appropriate helping verb according to the tense. Which tense we have here? Here we have simple present tense. So if we want to place some helping verb here, I need to take that particular helping verb from this place. Am, is, are, was, were, will be, or shall be, being, been, or plain be. So if I want to make passive voice, these are the things will help us in the 2nd rule especially. So if we are in simple present tense, we need to collect these. Okay, and we'll write once. Yeah, she does eat what? Idli. As a first rule, object comes into the place of subject. First rule is written here. And the 2nd rule is helping verb, right? Helping verb. So here I can write am, is, are. This is the place of helping verb. Whenever we take idli, I consider it as it. So whenever I consider it as it, I cannot write am, and as well as I cannot write are. So idli is suitable one. Somebody has unmuted, sir, please. Idli is. 3rd rule is verb has to be transformed as verb 3. Idli is eaten. So this is a 4th rule. By whom? By Thus, this she has to be jumped into the place. But this is a place of subject, we know that. This is a place of subject and this is a place of object. So for this, in the pronoun class, I think we learned I changes. This is a place of subject and this is a place of object. We, us, they, them, she, her. So this is what we require now. So she changes its shape and comes here as a her. So sir, this is an passive voice sentence. Please be patient for 1 minute. Yes. Idli is eaten by me. Right, sir? If I want to make it negative again, I need a weapon called helping verb. So this is what? Yeah, sir. This is. Yeah. And so idli is not eaten by me. Same formula. By me. Sorry, by her. Sorry. Yeah. If I want to make it interrogative, just I need to bring is idli eaten by me? And if I want to make it negative, is idli not eaten by me? Otherwise, we can make it as isn't idli. If we want to, if we contract this isn't idli eaten by me question mark. So if we want to ask WH words, question with the WH words, we have to place here only. Why is she? Why is idli eaten by her? So, and when is idli eaten by her? So this is how we can learn passive voice also. Even if we take modal auxiliary, same. So we need to learn some logics in learning English. So this is how I learned English, sir. So especially not for the all, for one or two people, it may help.